Gemini launches mobile app in India with support for 9 local languages. Alphabet-owned Google has unveiled its dedicated AI mobile app, Gemini, in India with the support of 9 Indian languages along with English. The Gemini mobile app supports 9 languages including Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. This allows users in the country to type or talk in any of the supported languages to take AI assistance. The company confirmed that the Gemini mobile app is powered by Gemini 1.0 Pro. However, it supports a paid option to access the Gemini Advanced experience, which is based on Gemini 1.5 Pro, which provides 1 million token context window to process and understand a wide variety of information, ranging from documents of up to 1,500 pages to complex data analysis tasks. Moreover, Gemini Advanced supports the 9 Indian languages which are offered on the Gemini mobile app. Alphabet-owned Google has silently launched the Gemini mobile app in Turkey, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Android users in capable countries can install the Gemini app through the Play Store. Moreover, the users can set Gemini as the default AI assistant in the Google Assistant app. Google displayed some additions of its Gemini AI assistant into apps like Gmail, Google Messages, and YouTube, and deep integration within the Android operating system. Initially, the Gemini mobile app was released in European markets like Germany, France, Italy, Sweden, and the UK. In April, the app received support for languages including Japanese, Korean, Spanish, and Portuguese to reach more users.